Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Masudin Marwan. Today I want to presentation about my article and the title is Teaching Reading Comprehension by Using Skimming and Scanning Technique. This presentation will explore how these two powerful strategies can significantly improve students' ability to understand and extract information from text. Well, delve into the methodology, findings, and practical implication of a study conducted on this very subject. Let's begin our journey into enhancing reading comprehension. Next slide. To give you an overview of what we'll cover is our table of contents. We'll start with the introduction, where I provide the background of the study, outline our research questions, define the purpose, and set the context. Following that, we'll move into the literature review, examining previous studies and the theoretical basis for skimming and scanning. Then, we'll discuss the significance of the study, highlighting its impact and benefits. The methodology section will detail the approach, data source, and data analysis technique used. After that, we'll dive into the findings and discussion, presenting the result and their explanation. Finally, we'll conclude with the conclusion summarizing our key takeaways. This structured approach will ensure a comprehensive understanding of the topic. Next slide. Introduction. Background. Let's begin with the background of the study. The primary motivation behind this research was twofold. Firstly, we aim to explore simple yet effective techniques that can improve reading understanding. Reading comprehension is a fundamental skill, but many students unfortunately struggle with it. This struggle can hinder their academic progress across various subjects. Textbooks and academic materials often present information in a dense format, making it challenging for students to quickly grasp the core message. This leads to the second point, the widespread issue of students struggling with reading comprehension. This research seeks to address this challenge by investigating practical strategies that can empower students to become more efficient and effective. Next slide. Our study was guided by two main research questions. The first question was, how effective are skimming and scanning techniques in improving reading comprehension among fifth grade students? This question aimed to assess the overall impact of these techniques on the students' ability to understand text. Our second research, can the use of skimming and scanning help students identify main ideas and specific details in reading text more accurately? This question focuses on the specific cognitive benefits of these techniques, particularly in discerning critical information within a given text. This question formed the backbone of our investigation, including our data collection and analysis. Next slide. Purpose. Aligned with our research questions, the purpose of the study was clearly defined. Firstly, we aim to determine the effectiveness of skimming and scanning techniques in improving reading comprehension. This involved measuring their direct impact on students' understanding. Secondly, a crucial purpose was to ascertain if these techniques could help students identify main ideas and specific details in text more accurately. By achieving this purpose, we hoped to provide concrete evidence of the utility of skimming and scanning as pedagogical tools, ultimately contributing to better reading instruction. Next slide. Literature review. Now let's turn to the theoretical foundation and previous research that informed this study. Our literature review focused on two case reading strategies, skimming and scanning. According to Grealet 1996, skimming is defined as reading quickly to grasp the main idea of a text. It's about just getting the gist, understanding the overall message without getting bogged down in every detail. Think of it as quickly looking over a menu to see the types of food offered in. In contrast, scanning, also defined by Grelet 1996, involves reading rapidly to find specific information, such as names, dates, or keywords. This is like looking for a specific item on the menu. Furthermore, research by Coyne et al. 2009 highlights that explicit strategy teaching significantly helps improve comprehension. This means that directly teaching students how to use strategies like skimming and scanning, rather than assuming that we'll naturally pick them up, is vital for improving their reading skills. This body of literature provides a strong rationale for investigating the explicit teaching of skimming and scanning to enhance reading comprehension. Next slide. Significance of the study. The significance of the study is multifold. Firstly, it demonstrates the effectiveness of specific reading strategies in a practical setting by providing empirical evidence. This research contributes to the existing body of knowledge on reading instruction. Secondly, and perhaps more importantly, it directly addresses comprehension challenge that many students face. In many educational contexts, students struggle to efficiently process information from text. This study offers a tangible solution to these widespread difficulties. Ultimately, by showing how skimming and scanning can improve comprehension, this research aims to provide valuable insights for educators and curriculum developers, helping to equip students with essential literacy skills for academic success and beyond. Next slide. Research methodology. Moving on to our research methodology, we employ a quantitative descriptive study design. This approach allows us to collect and analyze numerical data to describe the effectiveness of the intervention. Our data collection methods involve a structured process. Pre-tests were administered to gauge initial comprehension levels, followed by treatment sessions where skimming and scanning reading techniques were explicitly taught and applied. Finally, post-tests were administered to measure the improvement in comprehension after the intervention. The participants in this study were 35th grade elementary students from a tutoring setting in Kelaka Arum village. This specific group allowed us to observe the impact of the techniques on a particular age group and learning environment. The measurement of the impact was primarily done by comparing the pre-test and post-test scores. To further quantify the learning gains, the Einstein score was also calculated, providing a standardized measure of how much students improved relative to their initial understanding. This robust methodology allows us to drawing meaningful conclusions about the effectiveness of the intervention. Finding. Next slide. Finding. Initial low comprehension and significant post-treatment improvement and high mastery level. Let's delve into the findings of our study, which yielded very encouraging results. Firstly, in the initial comprehension levels, as indicated by the average pre-test score for the 5th grade students, was quite low, standing at 37%. This figure clearly highlighted a limited initial understanding and minimal prior knowledge in using skimming and scanning techniques among the participants. This established a baseline against which we could measure the impact of our intervention. Following the intervention, we observed a significant post-treatment improvement. The average post-test score dramatically increased to 82%. This represents a substantial rise and clearly demonstrates a significant improvement in the students' reading comprehension after being taught and applying skimming and scanning techniques. Furthermore, to quantify the extent of learning, an Engage score of 0.7 was achieved. This Engage score signifies a high level of mastery in the students' ability to effectively use skimming and scanning techniques for extracting information from text. An Engage score of 0.7 is generally considered very good, indicating that students not only improve but also reach a high proficiency level in applying these strategies. That findings strongly support the effectiveness of our intervention. Next slide. Discussion. Address reading challenge and validation of skimming and scanning as effective strategies and practical implication for teaching. These findings lead us to crucial discussion about their implications. Firstly, the study effectively responds to the identified challenge in reading comprehension among Indonesian students, particularly their difficulty in understanding text context. With a specific techniques, it underscores the importance of explicit instructional strategies to bridge the gap between reading effort and comprehension outcomes. This means that simply telling students to read is enough. We read We need to teach them how to read strategically. Secondly, our results provide strong validation of skimming and scanning as effective strategies. The significant improvement in score from 37% to 82%, and the high Engage score of 1.0 unequivocally confirmed that skimming and scanning are highly effective techniques for enhancing student ability to quickly grasp main ideas and locate specific information within text. This aligns perfectly with previous research that advocates for strategized reading technique. Finally, these findings have important practical implications for teaching. This research provides valuable insight for educators, suggesting that incorporating skimming and scanning into reading instruction can directly address common comprehension difficulties and foster critical literacy skills. It highlights that these techniques empower students to navigate complex materials with greater confidence and accuracy. By teaching these methods, we are not just improving their score, but equipping students with lifelong reading skills. Next slide. Conclusion. In conclusion, based on the data we collected and analyzed, the use of skimming and scanning techniques in teaching reading comprehension in a tutoring setting proved to be highly effective. The intervention led to a significant and substantial increase in students' understanding, with their scores rising impressively from 37% on the pre-test to a remarkable 82% on the post-test. Further reinforcing these findings, the Engage score of 1.7 provides strong evidence that students achieve a high level of mastery in using these techniques. This compelling result clearly demonstrates that appropriate and explicitly taught learning methods, such as skimming and scanning, can indeed help students master important reading comprehension skills. This study offers a valuable contribution to the development of future teaching strategies, encouraging educators to integrate these powerful techniques into their curricula to foster more confident and proficient readers. Thank you and very much for your time and attention today. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insight into the effectiveness of skimming and scanning techniques for improving reading comprehension. If you have any further question or would like to discuss this topic further, please feel free to contact me. My name is Masudin Rawan and I appreciate your engagement. Have a wonderful day.